The OpenDesk solution comes in two parts, OpenDesk Core and OpenDesk PC. OpenDesk Core takes care of all your back-end IT infrastructure and services. And OpenDesk PC streams your desktop to any internet-connected device. OpenDesk Core provides the following resources: a router, a file server, a view connection server, 1 TB of storage, backups, anti-malware, scheduled maintenance, and unlimited support. With OpenDesk Core in place, you are then able to add as many OpenDesk PCs as you need. Each OpenDesk PC comes complete with a Microsoft 365 E3 license, an anti-malware license, scheduled maintenance, and unlimited user support. There are 4 resourcing levels available depending on your requirements. Users can migrate up and down between the different levels. There are also options to add a dedicated GPU for specialist applications. To find out more about the different OpenDesk options, contact us on 0863 111 888.